Oh guys, this is my bike. I decked it out with caution tape that I found. Anything that's on this bike is most likely something I found, like especially the feathers. I was literally, you guys, if you guys, you know what I mean, watch my videos, you'll know when I found these feathers. It was on like some dead fucking duck, like that was like bare bones and just feathers at that point. If anybody is, you know what I mean, watching me that much, I fucking love you, man. I love you. Like, I really do love you, man. I love you, man. I love you, girl. I forgot how bumpy that was, goddamn.